Hello, this is Mr. Marvin, and I will walk you through the simple steps in setting the theme and layout of your Google Slides using your computer. When you work on a Google Slides presentation, your first slide has simple light as a default theme. It also has title slide as a default layout. You can change the presentation theme by clicking the theme button. You can then choose a theme for your presentation. You can also import a theme from your previous presentations. After you choose the import theme command, you can find a theme from your previous presentations from your drive. You can also upload an image to serve as your theme from your computer folders. You can then change the presentation layout by clicking the Layout button. You can choose an appropriate layout for all the slides or for each of the different slides. You can also choose your slide's background by using the Background command button. After you have clicked the Background button, you can choose the background color of all your slides or of different slides. Once you have chosen your background color, click the yellow Done button. You can also upload an image to serve as your slide's background. You can upload an image by browsing through or dragging an image from your computer folders. You can also upload an image captured directly by your camera or from my website, your Photos gallery, Google Drive, or Google Image Search. When an image is uploaded as a slide's background, it covers the whole slide. You can find the next tutorial video on exploring the File tab for Google Slides using your computer. This is a tutorial by Mr. Marvin.